Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. I'm Nigel Croft and it's Monday the 18th of September. In this video we'll be looking at the charts on the US dollar against the Japanese yen. The code on TradingView is USDJPY. What we'll see is that the dollar has bounced. There is some momentum behind this rally and we do expect it to potentially go higher. In the short term, we're at the upper boundary of the downtrend on the weekly and we're very close to getting above the 200-week moving average. If we can break above, the rally will continue above 112. Let's look at those charts. So here we have the daily. You can see that we had the bounce. We've gone through the 20 and the 50-day moving averages. The 20 has now turned positive as it moves up and will give support on any pullback. 50 still moving downwards. On the RSI, you can see that momentum has changed. The uptrend has become a lot more steep and we've gone above the 50, presently at 59.4, which bodes well. And also on the MACD, you can just see the short term has just gone above zero and above the longer term, and that actually is a buy signal that was that came out of the MACD about 3 days ago. So positive movement there, indicating that upside momentum is increasing. Where will we go? Now on US dollar JPY, you can see we do get quite severe moves in both directions. One would expect this rally to go further than you would expect. Certainly the initial resistance is around the 112, and then we've got the 200-day moving average coming down at 112.24. Looking at the weekly chart, so here each bar represents 1 week. You can see that we're towards the upper boundary of a downtrend, which we need to break. What may happen to create that break is you may just be able to see the 200-day. In fact, what I'll do is I will focus on that area. Let's just focus on the most recent area. You can see the 200-week moving average, which is moving upwards. If we can move above there, that may give the push that will break the trend. Let's go back to the longer term picture, which may break the trend going down. So we do need to get above that 200 week. That's at 111.69. Here again, we're seeing RSI ticking back up. It's back above 50, 51.65, and the MACD are flat lining, about to start to move up again. On the 4-hour chart, we found support at the 24-hour, which is rising quite strongly. That did create a golden cross when it came through the 50, which was good, although it didn't through the 200. But it's still positive that it did through the 50. That would give support on any pullback. That's at 110.64. Again, we're seeing positive momentum on the RSI, 69.89. It's moving sideways at the moment at these high levels, but it's good that it is at a high level. It didn't reach the same heights as we achieved on the 13th of September, so just keep an eye on that. We do want it to stay higher and hopefully edge up to that level. MACD short term is still above the long term, so still indicative of positive momentum. On the support and resistance levels, we've got resistance at the 200-day, 112.24, and then on the high of the 11th of July, 114.5, with support at the 20-day, 109.67, and then immediately below there the 50 from the 4-hour, at 109.61. Many thanks for watching this video. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, please do hit that subscribe button. You then get email updates when I come out with new videos. I don't just cover foreign currency markets, I cover commodities, equity indices and single stocks in the UK and the US. Please be aware these videos are not investment recommendations, they're just my opinions. Just to clarify on US dollar, Japanese yen, the key takeaways from the video should be momentum has turned positive again. There's expected resistance from the 200-day moving average, but the weekly is at this upper boundary of a downtrend. If that's broken, we will get further good upside, and we're nearly above that 200 week. If there's a break above there, that confirms a break of the downtrend. Thanks for watching. Please do read the disclaimer.